When is it time to get a new mattress? Mattresses are one of those items that we use every day, but rarely give them too much thought. Most of us start to wonder if we should get a new mattress when we move, start experiencing back pain, or sleep on a way more comfortable mattress somewhere else, such as a hotel or a friend's house. These are all good indications that maybe you should get a new mattress. Although your mattress may seem fine, when it is more than 10 years old, you should probably get a new one. Old mattresses are full of dust and bacteria, lose their supportive properties, and all that cushion and padding usually wears down. Lastly, you should get a new mattress if yours starts to sag or becomes uncomfortable. A new mattress can make a huge difference in your sleep and comfort, and that reflects how you feel during the day. For more information on buying a new mattress, check out our other videos or visit us at www.nationalmattress.ca.